Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a quick review for you here. I bought this Hisense portable air conditioner a couple days ago, and I bought the large room sized unit, 450 square foot capacity, 10,000 BTU unit, because our central air conditioner went out. We've got a part on order, and in the meantime, we're using this portable air conditioner to condition our living space. Now, going through some of the features, a couple of the reasons why I bought this unit: it does have cool, dehumidify, and fan. The cooling works really well. I'll talk about that in just a second. Quiet operation, it's medium quiet. The other thing I really like about it is the drain-free operation, so you don't have to empty a bucket, and it doesn't have like an automatic shut-off, at nighttime when the bucket gets full. Quick look at the unit itself. So up top, all the buttons here, very easily, you can read them really easily. Power, your modes, you got the fan, dry, and cool. Temperature setting right here, it does read in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Fan setting, low, medium, and high. Also has a sleep and a timer feature. The other cool thing I like about this is the flapper on the front kind of oscillates, so it deflects the air throughout the room. It does come with a remote control. I wish there was a backlight on this LED just to be able to see it a little bit better, at nighttime. But other than that, the remote control works just fine. Also, the exhaust connects right to the back of the unit, and then comes with this flexible hose, and then also the really easy snap together attachments for it that you can attach to your window, along with some insulation just to plug all the holes to keep the bugs out and that sort of thing. So after about 2 days of use, I have really been impressed by this Hisense portable air conditioner. So when our air conditioner went out in the house, the temperature got up to about 77 degrees, and this unit was actually able to pull the temperature in this living space down to about 73. Now, of course, it's not gonna pull all of the humidity out of the room like your central air conditioner would, but I gotta tell you, for 600 bucks that we paid for this unit, it has been a lifesaver. It has really made this room bearable and livable while we're waiting on the part to come in so we can replace that and fix our central air conditioner. So hope this video was helpful. Again, just a quick 2-minute review on this Hisense portable air conditioner. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.